Alright, check it out. YouTube. Check it out, man. Gamma is. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Let me change my battery first. I'll be right back. Alright, we back. But like I was saying, YouTube. Check it out. Stylecraft and Gamma sent your boy a package. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it is. Let's get it. Oh, this is the first time I could just rip off a piece of tape. Oh, guess not. My bad. Let's go, boys. Let's see what this is. Let's open this thing up. Oh, yeah. It's a bunch of bubble wrap. No, I'm just playing. Let's go, let's go. If I can get this thing out of here. Can't get it out. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, I got it. All right. Let's check it out, man. Gamma just sent your boy the new Gamma Plus Cyborg. Y'all know what it is, man. Check it out. So if you've been following your boy, y'all know I did a video on the Cyborg previously, but I'm not sure if that was the finished version. I think it was like a UK version. So this is the US version. As you can see, we got the US flag right there. America. But like I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and open this up so we can see what comes in here. But before we do that, let's read some of the stuff on the back. A diamond vapor blade and black diamond shallow 2.0 cutting blade, digital brushless motor, anti-slip LED docking station, 2 customizable click or floating levers. So I don't know if y'all know about this or not, but the hype is, as y'all can see, we got 2 levers. You can put a lever on the left side or the right side, whatever side you prefer. So if you're left-handed, you can actually have the lever on the right side. That way it's easier for you to, reach that lever. Heavy duty full metal body, lithium ion battery. We got some blue dub guards in there, some oil and all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so check it out, man. Here is what comes in the box. So let's get the clipper out of here. All right, so check it out, man. We got the clipper right here. Let's take this blade cover off. We got a vapor blade on there. So we got the lever on the left side, but like I was saying earlier, guys, you can't take this lever off, and there is another lever in the box that you can put on this side. That way you can move it this way. But nonetheless, we got that thing right here. It's bigger than some of the previous tools, bigger than the Gamma Boosted, bigger than the Ergo. But some people like heavy duty tools, so you may like this tool. Ergonomically, it's not too bad. It is a little heavier than some of the other tools, but not a big issue, at least not for me. But check that out, man. Let's go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So it's nice and quiet, man. Super quiet. That's that digital brushless motor, man. But as you can see, we got the LED indicator right here. We're gonna have to charge this up. But let's go ahead and put this down for a second and see what else comes in this box. So I just tried to get the lever out and I couldn't. But like I was saying, it does come with an extra lever right there, but I can't get it out, so I'm just gonna leave it right there for right now. We do get a charging cord in here. We also get, oh, I almost dropped it. We also get a nice charging dock. As you can see, we got the Gamma Italia branding right there. We got a box in here that says accessories, so let's go ahead and open this up. So we're gonna open up this box, see what comes in here. I'm assuming it's like guards, oil, stuff like that. So yeah, as you can see, we got a different cam follower. We got some screws, a little brush, the Gamma screwdriver. We got some dub guards in here. So this is one thing that I've been hearing a lot about. Check it out. We have the half guard, but it says tight. So it's different than the original half guard. So check it out. So here's the older 1/16 guard, and here's the newer 1/16 guard. As you can see, well, I don't know if y'all can see, but the teeth are different. This is more of like a wall type half guard, and this is more of like the Andis purple guards, the half guard. So they redid that. We got a new half guard in here, and then we got the rest of the guards in here, as y'all can see. So check it out. We got the 1 guard tight also, a 2 guard tight, and then a 1.5 or 1.5 guard tight. And I think, so just looking at them, I think that let me see if I can do this. I think the tight guards are more of like your wall style guards and sizes, and then the original dub guards are like more like the Andis purple guards. So we got all the way up to a number 2 with the tight guards, and then we got a 3, 4, 5, and 6 with the other guards. But once again, guys, check it out. Here is the Gamma Plus Cyborg. Y'all know what it is, man. If you're interested in this tool, go to GammaPlusNA.com, use my discount code TANK10. I'm sure you can find this on their website. If not now, really shortly, you know what I'm saying? So y'all keep checking back on their website. But we're going to put this thing to work, and I'm going to let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it. All right, we got my boy Leroy in the chair, man. We got the new Gamma Cyborg. We're going to put this to use. I'm going to use the guards that it came with. Also, we're going to be doing a 2.5 on top and a taper. Let's go. All right, so we're going to put the number 2 guard. There we go, number 2 guard on the clipper. It sits on there nicely. Lever open. All right, so we got the 2 guard lever open. We're gonna go over the top of my client's head. And we're gonna just work this clipper, man. I like the sound that it's giving when it's cutting. You know, it has that crunch sound. Really like that brushless motor in it. It's a quiet motor, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can barely hear it on. And I like that because you'll be able to hear the crunch of the hair while it's getting cut. This is the first haircut I'm doing with these clippers. If y'all been watching my channel, y'all know I did an unboxing of a different version of the Cyborg. It was the UK version, so this version is the US version. Not sure if they're any different, but off the jump, as y'all can see, these things cutting pretty good. Feel good in the hand, gliding through that hair. Like the feel of the clipper while I'm working with it so far. So they do have a new Cyborg trimmer. However, I don't got that one just yet, so I'm going to use my Instinct trimmer. All right, now I'm going back with my Cyborg clipper lever all the way open, and we're gonna set in our first panel of hair that we're gonna blend into, and we're gonna keep that same shape. Once again, that way we preserve some of that C-cup area. Now I got my 1 guard on my clipper, lever open. Now, I don't know if y'all can hear the clipper cutting, but it's worked. Like, I'm liking that because my client, you know, it's kind of blended here already. He came in, was it last week? Yeah. He came in last week, so it's not too long, so I can hear what exactly is being cut. But now that we got that done, I'm gonna close my lever, work the bottom of that section. So once again, I'm going in with my clipper open, or my lever open with the 1.5 guard. But as y'all can see, man, this clipper is doing the job, it's doing what it should do. I had no issue with taking down bulk, no issue with blending. This guard system is slightly different from their original dub guards, but if you use the wall guards, you may like these dub guards a little better because I feel like the 1/2 all the way to the 2 feels or resembles the wall guards a little more, so it's easier to use if you're used to the wall fading system.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Cyborg clipper. So just so y'all know, GammaPlusNA.com are taking pre-orders on this clipper right now. So you can go to GammaPlusNA.com. You know what I'm saying? You can pre-order this clipper now. I believe they start shipping out in about September or so, but you can pre-order now. Use my discount code TANK10 just in case you are interested. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and start talking a little bit about this clipper. Now, if you've been following my channel for a minute, you know that I already have a Cyborg clipper video and review on my page. Now, that isn't the same Cyborg, and what I mean by that was like the UK version, you know what I'm saying? Now, I've only had this for about a week or so, so performance-wise, it feels pretty similar, so I'm just gonna go ahead and talk to y'all about this clipper now, in case y'all wanted a new video based on what we're gonna get here in the US. So once again, man, check it out. Here's the Cyborg. The one thing about the Cyborg clipper from Gamma is the main thing people are talking about is the levers. So we do have a traditional lever that is on the left side, as you can see, and it is marked with an L on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But then the box does also come with another lever that you would put on the opposite side that is marked with an R, letting you know that it goes to the right side. And I know some people may be thinking like, why you want a lever on the left or the right side? Now, traditionally, levers obviously come on the left side, so when you're cutting, you can just adjust the lever like this, right? But what about them left-handed people? What about the people who cut hair with their left hands? You know what I'm saying? So the good thing about that is you can take the original lever off, put that one in the box, get the one in the box that says R on it, put it on the right side of the clipper, and now you can use the lever on this side. Now, obviously, there's no lever right here, but for you left-handed people, you can cut with it. You can easily adjust the lever here, because I assume, and you know, just this is me just assuming, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure that adjusting the lever on this side with your thumb, it's kind of uncomfortable, you know, it doesn't feel the greatest, you know, it's just not normal fit, like it just doesn't feel right? So if you would put a lever on the opposite side of a clipper and you can adjust with your thumb easily on this side, I feel you can be more efficient with your cuts and you can probably move a little quicker. Now, that's just my opinion. I haven't tried it with the lever on this side because obviously I'm not left-handed, but you know, I may do a left-handed challenge and try it out, who knows, you know what I'm saying? But this clipper does come with the Gamma Vapor blade. We do have the 2.0 cutter blade. As y'all heard in the video, we do have a nice click lever on there. I've told y'all this before, I am a fan of click levers, so I enjoy using click levers. The body is slightly bigger than some of their past tools, so if you use the Gamma Boosted, maybe even the Ergos, you know what I'm saying, the Stylecraft Rebel, the Instincts, those clippers are all smaller than this one, but you may like bigger clippers. Some people like bigger clippers, so if you're a fan of bigger clippers, for instance, if you like the Babyliss FX clippers, you may like this one because it's about the same size, give or take. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear it on. So that is the clipper on. Does have a nice hum to it. I believe the clipper is 6,800 RPMs. I may be wrong on that. Please don't quote me. Whatever it is, I'll make sure to put it on the screen for y'all just to make sure, but I believe it's 6,800. It might be 7,500, not 100% sure, but once again, I will put that on the screen for y'all. As y'all seen earlier in the video, this clipper does come with a charging dock that I forgot to bring home, but it does come with a charging dock, but it don't matter. Y'all saw that earlier in the video anyways, but it does come with a charging dock, and these lights light up once it's charging, and once it's fully charged, you will have all the lights lit up. So that's another good thing about this clipper is the LED lights. So when it's not fully charged like it isn't now, as you can see, I'm on the last leg, the last battery life of this clipper, right? Now, I haven't used this till it completely died, so I don't know if it starts to blink red or it just cuts off or whatever, but that at least lets me know that I got a little bit of battery left and that I may be needing to charge it soon. One thing that I do want to touch on about this clipper that's different from the UK version is the UK version, they didn't come with the new tight guards. And I put it in air quotes because that's what they're called, tight guards. It didn't come with the tight guards. So the US version does. And like I said earlier in the video, guys, the tight guards are basically just kind of more of wall style guards than the original dubs. So if you use the original dubs from Stylecraft or Gamma, you know that guard system is slightly different from like the wall guards. So if you're a big fan of wall guards, you really like using your wall style guards, then the tight Gamma guards may suit you a little better because they are designed and shaped to mimic more of the wall style of guard system. So if you like the wall guards, you may like the guards that come with this clipper. Me personally, y'all saw I used them in the video and they worked good. You know, they faded well into each other and they got the job done. So that's good about those guards. You can use those on the clipper, and I did. And then the good thing about the Gamma guards is they are universal to most clippers. So you can use them on your wall clippers, your babyless clippers, you know, your Stylecraft clippers. You can just use them on a bunch of different clippers that have this style of blade. Now this blade is 0 gap adjustable. So if I wanted to 0 gap this blade, I could just unscrew this, push the blade back. That makes the cutting blade closer to the steel blade. So as you see out the box, this is how mine came. It may vary differently from different clipper to clipper, but me personally, I don't 0 gap a lot of my tools. Now some tools I do, but I like to cut with them out the box first, just factory set, just so I can see basically what they can do straight out of the factory. So like I said earlier, this clipper is on pre-order right now at GammaPlusNA.com. The price is $219.95. Not the most expensive clipper out right now, but not the cheapest either. But once again, if you are a fan of their tools, or you like basically just what you saw it doing in my video, then you may like this tool and you may want to go pick it up. You know what I'm saying? So you can go to GammaPlusNA.com. It is $219.95 on the website. But if you use my discount code TANK10, you will save yourself a little bit of money. So if y'all do want to purchase this, go ahead, go to the website and make sure that you use my discount code just to make sure you're saving yourself a little bit of money. Now, they do have a trimmer that matches the Cyborg clipper. However, your boy didn't get it yet. Don't worry, guys. I'm working on getting it. That way I can do a video for y'all and y'all can see what I think about it. And then y'all can form your own opinion based off of the video. But I do know my boy Cuts by Reggie has the trimmer, so y'all go head over to his channel and check out his review on the Cyborg trimmer. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.